What if I told you that something as simple as a glass of milk before bed could completely change the way you sleep, how your body feels, and even how you wake up in the morning? Sounds almost too simple, right? Well, stick around, because what happens after you drink milk at night might just surprise you. Okay, let's set the stage here. Milk isn't new. It's been around forever. From childhood, many of us were told, "Drink your milk, it'll make you strong." And if you grew up in America, chances are you've had milk with cookies, milk with cereal, or maybe even a warm glass of milk when you couldn't fall asleep. But here is the thing. Milk at night isn't just some old wives' tale or bedtime trick your grandma told you about. There are real effects it can have on your body, both good and, well, sometimes not so good, depending on how and when you drink it. So today we're going to dive into what really happens if you drink milk at night. We'll talk about sleep, digestion, energy, weight, even your mood. And don't worry, I'm not going to bury you in complicated science terms. We're keeping it simple, real, and straight to the point. Ready? Let's break it down. Point 1. The sleep connection. Let's start with the big one, sleep. You've probably heard that a warm glass of milk can help you sleep better, but why? Well, milk has tryptophan. That is the same amino acid that people joke about after Thanksgiving dinner when you feel sleepy from turkey. Your body uses tryptophan to make serotonin, the feel-good chemical. And serotonin is what helps produce melatonin, your natural sleep hormone. So when you drink milk before bed, you're basically giving your body a little boost of the stuff it needs to relax and wind down. Now, will milk knock you out like a sleeping pill? Not exactly. But for many people, it can make falling asleep feel easier and smoother. And let us be honest, sometimes just the cozy routine of drinking something warm before bed signals to your brain, "Hey, it's sleep time." Point 2. Digestion and comfort. Now, here's where it gets a little tricky. For some people, milk at night feels soothing. Warm milk can calm your stomach, coat it a bit, and help you relax. But if you're lactose intolerant, or if your body doesn't handle dairy very well, drinking milk at night can backfire. Instead of peaceful sleep, you might end up with bloating, gas, or even an upset stomach. And who wants to be tossing and turning because their belly feels weird? Nobody. So, if milk tends to bother your stomach during the day, chances are it won't magically feel better at night. In that case, try lactose-free milk or plant-based milk alternatives. Almond milk, oat milk, or soy milk. Some of these even come fortified with extra nutrients and can still give you that same relaxing bedtime vibe. Point 3. Blood sugar and energy. Here's something people don't always think about: the natural sugar in milk. Milk has lactose, which is basically a type of sugar. Now at night, your body isn't as active as during the day. You're not burning off that sugar by running around. For most people, this isn't a huge deal. But if you're someone watching your weight, or if you're managing blood sugar levels, that late-night milk might give your body more fuel than it really needs before bed. Some folks even notice that drinking cold milk at night can make them feel more awake instead of sleepy. Kind of like giving your body a mini energy boost when you actually want to wind down. So it's a double-edged sword. For some, milk relaxes. For others, it kind of wakes the system up. Point 4. Nutrition boost. While you sleep all right, now let's talk nutrients. Milk isn't just about sleep. It's loaded with calcium, vitamin D, protein, and other good stuff your body actually uses. Think about it. While you're sleeping, your body is repairing itself. Muscles recover, bones strengthen, your brain resets. When you drink milk at night, you're basically supplying your body with nutrients right before that recovery process starts. For people who work out, the protein in milk, casein protein specifically, digests slowly. That means your muscles get a steady stream of amino acids overnight, helping with repair and growth. So if you're into fitness, a glass of milk at night might actually support your goals more than you realize. Okay, here comes the most surprising part. Did you know that milk at night can actually affect your mood and stress levels? Here's how. Remember that tryptophan we talked about earlier? It doesn't just help you sleep. It also helps your brain produce serotonin, the same happy chemical that boosts your mood and calms your mind. So when you drink milk before bed, it's not just about physical rest. It can actually help reduce stress, quiet racing thoughts, and make you feel emotionally balanced. That's why a lot of people don't just fall asleep easier with milk. They feel better when they wake up. Think about it. Better sleep, calmer mind, more relaxed body, all from something as simple as a glass of milk before bed. Pretty wild, right? So let's wrap this up. Drinking milk at night can help you relax and fall asleep easier. Provide your body with nutrients while you rest. Support muscle recovery if you work out. Even improve your mood and lower stress. But it's not for everyone. If you're lactose intolerant, if milk makes you feel bloated, or if the sugar in it messes with your energy levels, then maybe skip it or try a dairy-free alternative. At the end of the day, it's about listening to your body. Some people swear by it, others prefer herbal tea or just water before bed. So here's my question for you. Do you drink milk at night? And if so, how does it make you feel? Drop your experience in the comments below. I'd love to hear your take on it. And hey, if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe for more health tips, and don't forget to ring the bell so you never miss out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.